Okay, Lena, what are we doing today?
We're doing a big garden bird watch.
And this is for the RSPB, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we know how many birds there are in the country, whether they're increasing or declining.
Today we have my friend.
Who's your friend?
Everly. She wanted to do it with us.
That's our first bird. Crow on the top of the tree. Oh no,
Yeah.
It could be a great northern diver, that bird. Green. There's another bird down there. We've got a female black cap.
I see a bird land in the bush.
And that's the first time I've had a female black cap in the garden as well. You see it just down here?
So the camera.
It's on the camera. You'll see it all when I edit it.
Look through each other's binoculars. Wait. I didn't see anything.
Sparrow there.
The green fish. I was in the bar.
We've got another green fish just turned up.
My mum was saying, Everly see it, Everly see it. I was like, ah!
I think when we get green fishes in the garden. Yeah. So there's some sparrows. Some males and a female.